Jain University, we're really trying to prioritize action research and research which is connected with the industry and is very closely intertwined with societal issues. So what we're trying to do is build competencies, capacities, and credibility as far as the research fraternity is concerned, and I would believe that anybody in academia has the responsibility to contribute towards research, because the moment we disconnect and remove it from academia, the teaching process, then there is a disconnect, and that leads to, I think, different complexities. So what we're trying to do is that within our university, which is a multidisciplinary university, we have 28 departments. We are trying to have a transdisciplinary project-centric learning kind of a mindset, where every student from one particular discipline by design has to engage with students from other disciplines, and together they have to take care of a societal issue, a real world problem, and then within that they have to address it, and hopefully this should lead towards high quality publications, yes, but most importantly it has to lead to something in which the students develop computational thinking, the right way to solve problems, creative intelligences, and an outcome which is relevant towards creating startups. We have been able to launch 174 startups in the last few years because of many such initiatives, and we believe that solution providing as entrepreneurs and research and innovation is something which has to be inextricably sort of together. We cannot isolate it, so that's one of the thought processes we have. Like I mentioned, competency, capacity, and credibility. From an individual culture perspective, because that's also very important, today we are having generated leads towards what research actually is. What we are trying to emphasize is the whole aspect of foundational curiosity, and how does that become so important as a teacher, as an academic researcher, and as even an administrator, because with technology we have all the answers, and we will always have students coming out with outputs which will be very difficult to verify. But the moment we have a mindset which is constantly cultivated, it becomes much easier. So we are starting an epistemology lab, for instance, an ideation, tinkering facility where students will just go and reflect, and they'll be able to do the abstraction. So in true sense, the experiential learning will hopefully result in higher quality research publications, research outcomes. So that's what we are trying to do. So.
Okay.